Hey guys, I just got my new blow dryer. It's called the dual voltage hair dryer brush, and we're going to be testing it out today. This is the box that it came in, and it came in this really nice bag so you could take for traveling. So let's go and see what's inside. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So inside it looks like definitely a smaller little one that you could take definitely for traveling. And then it comes with 2 hair clips, so you can put back your hair for getting ready. And then we just have some instructions, a little brush. I'm guessing you could take out the hair out of your brush. And then it comes with the outlet for Europe, actually. So I think that's really cool. Okay, so inside, obviously in the bag here is the blow dryer. And now we are going to test it. I just washed my hair. It is completely wet and dripping. So let's see if this can make my hair look good for school tomorrow. I just took out my hair. As you can see, it is super wet. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like before we begin. So it looks like there's very easy to understand. There's different settings. There's 3. There's cool, low, and high. When I do it, I'm going to be doing it on high. So let's see how good this thing is. I'm just clipping up my hair with the clips it gave me and sectioning it. And now we are going to begin. My main concern is to see how fast this thing blow dries, because I personally hate having to blow dry my hair for like an hour. Okay, I'm gonna start blow drying my hair. All I'm gonna do is just twist it to get it working. So let's see how long it takes to do the bottom section. I'm starting at 8:15 and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, I just finished the bottom section and it's 8:23. This is all the hair that I blow dried in 5 minutes. So I'll do the top now and be back when I'm all done. I just finished the top section and it's 8:28. What time did we start? I forgot. I think it's been around 10 to 15 minutes. My hair is fully dry and I actually have really thick hair. So I think that's a win. So now I'm gonna try styling it. I don't know if I want to straighten or do a blowout yet. So I'll update you guys once I know what I'm doing and show you how it looks. I am not fully done. I'm just showing you guys what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm kind of doing like a little, at the end, a little curve. So my hair like looks a little bit healthier and more natural, so it's not pinched straight. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So all I do is I turn it on, obviously. And it's how I do it. I just work with it at the end, just like this. And then it gives you that like little blowout look. So I'm gonna continue doing this and I'll be back when I'm all done. Okay guys, this is the finished result. I did kind of a little blowout at the end, so it's not completely straight.